thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up the May Adult Dot Box. So Dot Box is a period subscription. They offer many subscription plans. Like I said, we'll be opening the adult subscription today. They also have like a preteen box, like for your first period, a teenage one. There even is an option to subscribe if you do not want any period products, so it could just be like a lifestyle box. So inside each box there is a theme, and you get period essentials based on your profile. When you sign up, you can let them know what you prefer, like pads or tampons and stuff like that, and then a bunch of lifestyle items and usually some really good treats as well. I absolutely love this subscription. I have a code to save 20% off your first box. It's KITTYSBOXES in all caps. I will leave that on the screen and down below. It's not affiliated, it's just to help you guys out. The adult box costs $38.99 per month. I will leave their link down below along with that promo code if you want to look at their different subscription plans and all of that. If you are new here, hi, my name is Kitty. I open boxes pretty much every single day here on our channel. I would absolutely love it if you subscribed. Anyways, let's get this box open. I love how it says hello beautiful. How nice is that? Ooh, right when I open it I could see some chocolate. So here is the card for the month. How pretty. And on the back it says, your May 2020 theme is Hello Beautiful. Let's face it, if you weren't required to leave home during quarantine, you pretty much let yourself go. Yeah, definitely put on some LBs. You were wearing that same bun or ponytail and did good to shower every day. This month's box is curated to take you back to a time when you cared about feeling soft, feminine, and beautiful. No matter how you're handling it all, let us be the first to tell you that you're doing an amazing job and you can only do what you can do. Just hang in there, girl. We'll continue to get through this together. Oh, I love that. So like I said, right on top, I see some chocolates by Ghirardelli. One is dark chocolate, 60% cacao, I can never say that word, and then milk chocolate sea salt almond, yum. And then everything else is underneath Swigglies, packed all nicely. So on this handout it talks about what's inside. So I mentioned when you subscribe you do fill out like a profile, so it will be based on that, so there are some variations. Ooh, I see something exciting here. This is by Serum by Babe Lash. This is Lash Serum. I've been using Lash Serum every night, so I'm excited to have a backup. I actually think I can tell a difference. I heard you have to keep up with it and it takes like a month or two, so I'm really excited, and now I'm even more excited that when I run out I have another one. So it says, this potent eyelash nectar is filled with extracts found in nature, formulated to beautify lashes with daily use. I've never heard of Serum before. And this is what it looks like. I'm not going to open it now until I am ready to use it. But yeah, like I said, I use Lash Serum every night now. I even use some on my eyebrows because my eyebrows are really sparse as well as my eyelashes. I'm like very blonde, little hair, so yeah, I will get a lot of use out of this. I can't wait. Next, ooh, we have some whipped soap. Oh, I've received something by this brand before, and I think it's in the same range. It smells so good. I actually just put it in my shower the other day. But anyways, this is a Hello Beautiful whipped soap, a feminine, relaxing blend of warm spice, cocoa butter, and coconut. And it smells so good. Let's see if this smells the same. Well, there is a safety seal. It's good. Oh yeah, it smells so good. Nice, I love nice fragrances. So this is made with aloe vera, vitamin E, shea butter, glycerin. Nice, and then at the very end of the list there is some fragrance, but I don't mind that with wash off products like soap, so I will definitely be getting use out of this. Ooh, what's this? Botanical facial steamer. Sorry, I've not been doing a good job of showing you guys things up close. It says, blend can be placed in a spray bottle after steam and used as a toner, fed to houseplants, or used as a base for clay masks. Oh, you can feed this to houseplants? That's interesting. I have some. I have a decent amount in this room. I keep all my plants in here so my cats don't get them, but still they somehow get to them somehow. So you pour the contents into a 2 to 3 inches of water in a pot and bring it to a boil, and then cover the sides with a towel and gently steam the face for up to 10 minutes. and then wash the face as usual and follow with a moisturizer. So this is made with hibiscus, chamomile, calendula flowers, lavender, rose petals, and orange peel. It's vegan, organic, and essential oil free. Nice. Ooh, it looks like we have a little cocoa butter. It says whipped cocoa butter. A creamy blend of raw cocoa butter, organic coconut oil, emulsifying wax, vitamin E, sunflower seed oil, organic white willow bark extract, organic neem seed oil, organic rosemary leaf extract, and organic sunflower seed oil. I love to moisturize every day after I get out of the shower, so I'll definitely get some use out of this. It smells like cocoa butter. Exactly. Let's put some on my hands. Nice. Makes me want to eat that chocolate. Ooh, we have another item from Hello Beautiful. This is their Shea Butter Lotion. And I believe this is in the same scent. It's a feminine, relaxing blend of warm spice, cocoa butter, and coconut. Awesome. And then, I don't know what this is, but it says Sabrina Sews. A drawstring bag. Oh, is this like a robe? Here's a little like tie string. Oh my god, it is! You guys, this is so pretty! Let me put it on, and then I can show you guys a little bit better. So this is what it looks like. Oh my god, I love this so much. Such a pretty floral design. It goes down a little further than the shorts I have on now, so it's definitely above your knees. This is so cute. I love this. It feels so nice too. I love this. I'm going to use this all the time. Inside the bag there were some care instructions. It says hand wash in cold water with delicate friendly liquid detergent. Lightly agitate for 3 to 5 minutes and rinse well and hang to dry. You can tie it up with this. Oh my god, I love it so much. So pretty. Like, this theme is so good. Like, everything's very floral and nice and pretty. Ooh, more snacks. Ooh, what's this? Torres Selecta sparkling wine flavored premium potato chips. So is this like bubbly flavored potato chips? I am so intrigued by this. So this is a big package. This is the entire serving size. I hate when you get like something like this and it says like 2 or 3 servings. You're like, come on, let's get real. I'm gonna eat it all right now. 270 calories. That's fine. I'm smelling it to see if it smells like anything. It smells like a potato chip. It seriously tastes like champagne. What? Oh my god, I love champagne so much. It's crazy. It seriously tastes like it. I feel like you shouldn't eat these and drive, but like, I mean, you'd pass your, I don't know why I'm even saying that, but this seriously is good. Nice. I really want some champagne now. I'm out of wine and bubbly. I might have to go to the store. I've been avoiding the stores at all costs. And then we have another treat here, Nature Valley Crispy Creamy Wafers Bar. Ooh, and peanut butter chocolate. This sounds amazing. I've never tried this. I've tried other Nature Valley bars, but not this. Yum, they always provide like the best treats ever. And then what's remaining is the Period Essentials pack. So I chose to get organic tampons, so I get a mix of regular and super. I try and use only organic tampon products or period products, so I love that they have that as an option. And then there's some panty liners in here along with some organic raspberry tea. So I love this. It's actually gonna be my time of the month any day now. Just waiting for it to show up. I'm getting the pimples and the cramps, but like, come on. But anyways, this is so great. I love everything. This robe might be my favorite. The Lash serum too, the treats, I like everything. So I think this is such a great box. It really does make that time of the month better. It makes any time of the month better, even if it's not your period, even if you don't get the period essentials. Those are probably the least fun things, but very useful to get in the mail. Like I said, I'm gonna be needing them, so love that it came right in time. But yeah, I will leave the link to them down below. I would love to know your thoughts. Make sure to use that promo code to save some money. It'll work on any of their subscription plans, or at least it should. Let me know if there's any issues. I'll talk to the owner. But yeah, I think this is great. Let me know your thoughts. Thank you for unboxing this with me. I hope you guys are all safe and well. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.